They're not big.
Bro, he's slammed. Bringing that dirty, bringing that 30. Music with a quick extension, bringing up 30.
Whoa, Certi fam, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you're watching this. You know what we're about to do. Bro.
Oh, yo, what's happening?
I've adopted Ali Law, guys, I've adopted him. He has been adopted.
This is my new room. Just in here.
Is that how you living? Yeah.
What?
Adopted like this?
Adopted, yeah, I'm up for this.
Okay, 10,000 thumbs up and I'll actually adopt Ali Law.
This is a free penthouse for me, so get smashing them likes.
So yo guys, just in the title of the video, you know what's about to go down. It's about to be an absolute madness. Wait, who else have I got in here? Who else? Can you guess who else is in here? I nearly fell over walking to him. Me, Nightscape, Ali Law are about to hit a fucking madness. No, don't know what's gonna happen, don't know how it's gonna go down.
NS Nation, 30 fam all day, every day, you know how it
Have I adopted you as well? I've adopted Ali, so
I kind of want to live here, I'm not gonna lie, like, I would happily be adopted. I'll get you the papers, you can
okay,
sign.
20,000 thumbs up and I'll adopt both of them.
We're both getting adopted, yeah.
The thing is, Ali's happy to live on like a hammock on the balcony or something. Where do you want to live?
Hold up, you can't sell my room up.
It's gonna be a madness. They're gonna try and get inside, spend the whole night. If this guy's involved, it's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. This is your second overnight challenge, wasn't it?
Number two. The last one was sick.
We've been hitting madnesses. But anyway, we're gonna go hit it. We're gonna go do it. But we need to leave. We need to leave now because like it's closing. Oh my god. Boys, it's closing 30 minutes. We need to leave right now. Let's crack on. Overnight challenge. Let's go. About to go down. Okay, so very long story short, we are now in East London. Change of plans as due to the lack of organisation from the Certi fam. Basically, I didn't check the times, but I am pretty much positive the last time I went to Toys R Us it was open till 11. I actually know it was, and I've checked it on there since, and it does say 11.
He's chatting the most.
Anyway, as you've seen from the title, you know it's about to go down. It's about to be a Maserati.
Level 2. Tutorial on how to break in.
Yeah, literally. It's like a non-criminal tutorial for criminals.
We basically just climbed up the whole side of the building, up onto the roof. And this is where Nightscape said he's got a way into it, so we're going on this way. Little mission.
Level 3. Down to this.
Okay, that's not too bad.
Dad? Is that my dad? Dad? You gotta go on my bag now because I can't multitask like this.
Is that you? Dad? Is this the door?
Three.
Please.
Do it.
Wait, don't look open. Actually, don't look open.
This is the door that I think is open.
You bastard. Wait, is this...
Mate, it's open.
No lock, nothing. You're a G.
Why have they not got a lock on it?
We're in, man.
Oh wait, no, boys, there was a lock. It was unlocked though.
It was completely.
No, but that's on the outside, mate.
Yeah, look.
That's a lock on the outside.
Alright,
Sickest.
well.
What, this just takes you straight in.
What are you doing?
There is no way this is a thing.
It's mental, isn't it?
Our alarm's gonna go off though.
They didn't go off, but we did set them off last time because we went into the fire exit. But we're pretty sure they do go off anyway. Silent alarm.
Let's check it. Oh, as long as it's silent, I'm calm.
Pretty sure they're silent alarm. As long as we set it on the trampolines, I'm pretty sure we're good.
Wait, no sensors. Oh,
There's no sensors in this door.
Are you fucking kidding me?
It's like a fucking cinema.
There's no way. Yes!
Wait, hey. We are inside.
This just happened.
Oh my god. Slide is nuts.
Can I use your phone?
They're not big.
Fucking hell! What did you phone me, bro? Mate, I thought there was a wall coming at me.
Go!
I'm gonna jump over.
Yeah, go, go, go!
Hold it, 2 seconds. Oh my god! You crazy bastards! You crazy bastard! Wait, I see right now. I know you can. The best thing I have ever done in my life. Fuck me.
Madness.
Yes, Ryan. That was alright. That was alright. Yes, Ryan.
Like this is 100 meters of like black, pitch black cave.
Wait.
It's like
Not when you got a torch, Harry.
Hold up. Let me leave some shit behind.
So you go in here. Oi!
Go on then.
Mate, look at it. It's literally like small caves.
Where are we going?
Mate, let's go straight over there. What?
Right, let's do it. No, I said I'm coming.
This is dirty. Ow, me head.
So I'm going to speed into you got a line, he's got a line. Nah, turn it on, it's sick. Oh, my fucking kneecap. Oh, right.
Ow, me head.
Boy, it's tight in it. Oh. Boy, I feel like we're just going to get trapped and never be able to get out.
What the?
This is fun.
Oh, my head.
Is it like?
I want to slide down.
Wait a minute, you can turn right here. Shine light down here.
Wait.
You can go this way, you can go 2 ways.
That's an exit. Whoa.
Wait, how have they got...
Oh my god.
Right, let's carry on going the right way.
Wait, what's out there?
That's an exit, man. That's an easy escape. We don't take easy escapes.
Like that. We're going all the way through.
We're going all the way.
I think we should turn around.
No, we committed to this one.
Nah, I'm getting stuck. Get out. Bro, fuck that, man.
Right.
Oi, nah. Okay.
There's no backing out of this.
Okay. Bro, I'm getting claustrophobic.
No, right, come on. Bro, it's cool. Alright, what's the worst that can happen?
Oi, I want to get my head wedged, man.
You reckon?
Bro, I swear to God.
Plastic cave system.
It gets smaller.
Bro, it gets smaller than this.
Come on, Ryan.
No, we got this, bro. Come on.
Get out now, get out and then.
For the 30,
No,
fam.
you go
Right,
first.
he's pushing me, bro.
Okay, nah. Bro, are you for real?
Oh! Right, go.
I'm actually not joking.
Wait, are you supposed to go down there?
I told you, bro.
Mate, we're gonna get stuck.
Has he gone?
Are you good? Yeah, he's good.
Oh, let's go then. I'm gonna know what I do.
Wait.
Wait, this is the.
Wait, are you stuck? Wait, Ryan, wait, bro.
Wait!
Are you good?
Wait, boys, it gets worse!
What?
Get down here now! It gets worse, man!
I'm coming down.
Nah, because he can all die.
Sliding down it.
I ain't doing it, man.
Wait, stop being a pussy, Ryan, bro.
I ain't doing it! Wait, Ryan, what are you saying?
Nah.
Wait, this is it.
No.
We can see the exit!
Hey, boys.
Wait, Ryan, see the exit!
I'm already out.
No, you gotta come back down here!
No. I'm already out. Fuck that. These boys are stupid. No, I'm out. No. These idiots are inside a fucking cave. Look, you can't even see where they are. Look, they're like underneath this whole thing. It's pitch black in here. Hell no. I'm tall, man. I'm taller than both of them. I don't get locked into anything. It's sketchy because this place is so dark right now. And like my camera's maxed out. Can't see anything. But yeah, I've got the whole place to myself. These guys are idiots. These guys are absolutely idiots. Oh yeah, you actually stuck?
It's bad, it's so tight. Look.
Oh my god, bro. I knew it was a good idea I didn't go in there.
I'm actually fucking stuck! Harry, push me! Get push me! Oh yeah, I'm stuck!
Are you stuck?
Look how tight it is! Ah, there's nothing to grab! Ah!
Yes!
Yes!
I am so glad.
Oh my god.
Nah, Brian.
Bro.
That is bad. Oh, for fuck's sake.
It's good to see
That
you
is
boys.
bad.
You left me for a good
Oh,
30 minutes.
hold up, it says enter here. We just entered through the wrong way. Where did we enter? I can't even remember.
Here?
Is this where we come
We
through?
entered here.
No, we didn't. Did we enter here?
I'm so glad that I didn't go.
Did we actually enter here?
That was a mad.
I'm so glad that I didn't go.
Yeah, no, you're
I ain't
lucky
lying.
you didn't go. That was crazy.
I ain't lying, I thought I was going to be pussy.
Yo,
but I
honestly.
thought, no way.
Lads, this has been another.
Bit of madness. Boom.
Let's get out of it.
Let's go.
Let's leave.
Right guys, welcome to the kitchen. If you want some pasta, we're not short on pasta. If you want some fresh chips, got the wait, that's still hot. If you want some ice cream cone, they're not ice cream cone. Oh, the main entrance, no. Wait, have we been here? I thought we have been here. hold up. Oh, this side is chained. Centre.
Run.
I didn't want to go the roof route, man. Oh fuck.
Fuck's sake.
We fucked it.
Can you call the feds, please?
Please? No.
Yeah.
Right, good.
Oh my god.
Belt on.
Oh my. Mission complete. We are out of there. We're out, boy. 30 pounds. Yet again, we have done it. And we're gone. Make sure you come out tomorrow at 8 PM for a new video. And just hope that you don't see us at your local place doing an overnight challenge. See you tomorrow at 8 PM.